What is a subpoena? Explained for beginners. Have you ever wondered how courts compel people to provide evidence or testify? That's where a subpoena comes into play. A subpoena is a legal document issued by a court or an officer of the court, like an attorney. It commands a person to take specific actions related to a legal case. The most common actions are appearing in court or producing documents relevant to the case. There are two main types of subpoenas. The first is called a subpoena ad testificandum. This type requires a person to appear and testify as a witness in a court hearing, trial, or deposition. The testimony can be given orally or in writing, depending on the situation. The second type is known as a subpoena duces tecum. This requires a person to produce documents, records, or tangible evidence for inspection or use in court. Sometimes, you can fulfill this requirement by providing copies of the requested materials without needing to appear in person, if that is arranged in advance. Subpoenas are essential tools in preparing for court. They help parties gather the testimony and evidence necessary to support their case. Both criminal and civil cases can involve subpoenas, and they can also be issued by government agencies conducting investigations. When a subpoena is served, it must be delivered to the person or entity named in the document. The rules for serving a subpoena can vary depending on the jurisdiction. Some places requiring personal delivery by a law enforcement officer, while others allow for mailing or electronic delivery. The subpoena will clearly specify the time and place for the appearance or document production. If someone fails to comply with a subpoena without a valid legal excuse, they could face penalties. This might include being held in contempt of court, which can lead to fines or other sanctions. Subpoenas often target third parties who are not directly involved in the lawsuit but have relevant information or evidence. This ensures that all necessary facts and materials are available for a fair legal process. In essence, a subpoena is a formal court order that compels a person to testify or provide evidence. It plays a key role in courtroom procedures by enabling parties to prepare their cases effectively. Understanding how subpoenas work can help you navigate the legal system more confidently.